Most breaches do not start with some sophisticated movie-style hack. They start with one device, a laptop left unprotected, a phone with no security controls, a printer running outdated firmware. Today I'm walking you through the 5 device security mistakes we see small businesses making constantly and exactly how to fix each one. Hey, I'm Peterbot Moriarty and I'm helping Peter create some of his videos while he's busy supporting our customers. Mistake number 1 is running your business devices with no endpoint protection. Now you might be weirded out about the word endpoint protection. It's a new word for something you're already used to. In the old days, all you needed was antivirus. It removed malicious code from your computer. The modern approach to the same principle is now called endpoint protection, which uses a hybrid of on-device scanning and cloud-driven, AI-driven analytics to protect your device. 1 in 5 small businesses has absolutely zero endpoint protection on their devices. And if you're thinking your basic antivirus is covering you, I need to be direct with you. A traditional antivirus is not enough anymore. Attackers have moved well beyond the kinds of threats that antivirus was built to catch. What you need is EDR, endpoint detection and response. Instead of just scanning for known threats, EDR monitors how your devices behave in real time. It looks for unusual activity and shuts it down before damage is done. The good news is this doesn't have to be expensive. Tools like Bitdefender Gravity Zone or Sophos Intercept X start from around $200 per year for 10 devices and are built for small businesses. But the real value is having EDR properly deployed and monitored for you, which is exactly what we do. Mistake number 2 is dismissing software update prompts and putting them off indefinitely. Here's the thing about software updates. They are not just adding new features. A lot of the time they are patching known security vulnerabilities, and attackers know exactly which vulnerabilities exist in which versions of software. They actively scan the internet looking for unpatched devices to exploit. The clearest example of this is WannaCry ransomware. It infected over 200,000 computers across 150 countries in a single weekend. And the way in? A Windows vulnerability that had a patch available weeks earlier. The businesses that got hit simply hadn't installed the update. The fix is to turn on automatic updates for your operating system, your browsers, and your key applications. For teams with multiple devices, use a device management tool that lets you see the patch status across your entire fleet and enforce updates centrally. Every day a device is running unpatched software is a day the door is left open. Even better is having an IT managed service provider automate and manage this for you in the background so you never have to worry about it. Mistake number 3 is allowing bring your own device, BYOD for short, without any security controls in place. Let me be clear, BYOD is not the problem. The problem is BYOD with no policy behind it. And nearly half of businesses using BYOD have had malware introduced through an employee's personal device. Think about what that means in practice. Your team member's personal phone, which you have no visibility into, no control over, and no ability to manage, has full access to your business email, your cloud files, and your internal tools. If that device is compromised, your business is compromised. Imagine your employee has a passcode of 0000 and they leave their phone on a train. Someone else picks it up and all of a sudden, they've got access to your customer details and banking information. They can even send you a message impersonating your staff member asking you to wire money to a fake account. The fix is Mobile Device Management, or MDM. This lets you enforce security policies on both company-owned and personal devices. It can require a PIN or biometric to unlock, it can block access if a device isn't compliant, and critically, if a device is lost or stolen, you can wipe the business data from it remotely without touching the personal content. BYOD without MDM is an unmanaged security risk. Mistake number 4 is not using a password manager, and instead, storing passwords in a shared Google Doc, a spreadsheet, or worse, just in people's heads. This is still happening constantly, and here's the risk. 1 breach, 1 compromised account, 1 employee who accidentally clicks the wrong link, and every single login your business depends on is exposed. A password manager solves this entirely. It stores all your credentials in an encrypted vault. Every password it generates is randomized, long, and unique to that account. No reusing passwords across platforms, no weak credentials. The team management side is just as important. You can give a team member access to exactly the tools they need without them ever seeing the actual password. When someone leaves your business, you revoke their access immediately. Done. 1Password, NordPass, or LastPass all solve this. We're a LastPass partner, so we can help you get it set up properly. So get one set up this week. It is one of the highest return security investments you can make. Quick pause. If you are watching this and wondering how your current setup actually stacks up, ITGenius offers a systems health check where we review your tools, your security setup, and your team workflows. Head to itgenius.com to book in. Now back to the last mistake. Mistake number 5 is not enforcing multi-factor authentication across your business accounts. And this one might be the most important on the list. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, means that even if someone has your password, they still cannot get in without a second factor, usually a one-time code from an authenticator app, but we recommend is using a passkey or a hardware security key. This is a great way to secure your accounts from unwanted breaches. I know the pushback. People say it is inconvenient, it adds a step, the team will complain, and yes, it adds one extra step to your login, but compare that inconvenience to the inconvenience of an attacker accessing your business email, your financial records, and your client data. MFA needs to be mandatory on your email, your cloud storage, your accounting software, and any other critical platform. If you are on Google Workspace, you can enforce this across your entire organization from the admin console. So those are the 5 mistakes. No endpoint protection, skipping software updates, BYOD with no controls, no password manager, and no multi-factor authentication. Here is what I want you to take away from this. These are not big, expensive, complicated projects. Most of these can be addressed this week with the right tools and the right setup. The cost of protecting your business is a fraction of what a breach will cost you. And for many small businesses, one breach is all it takes. ITGenius helps small businesses lock this down properly. We handle the setup, the team training, and the ongoing support so you don't have to figure it out alone. Click the link below to find out more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.